How to mirror camera on Messenger video call. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To mirror camera on Messenger video call, first of all, launch Messenger application and sign in to your account. Now make sure to open the chat with the person you want to call. Now tap continue button and you need to select the video call icon at top right corner to initiate a video call. Now after that you will see a mirror icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply you can flip the camera and then mirror camera on Messenger video call. Or else, if there is no mirror option, you can easily proceed to the next step and then open the app info section by tapping and holding Messenger. Select I button and access app info section. Now after that, tap storage uses and then tap clear cache. And after that, you can easily return to your video call and mirror camera on Messenger video call. So, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.